Hello students and welcome to English class. So in today's session I will be sharing with you very important questions that are based on synonyms. So here are some mixed questions, means on different types you can say, or for different words we will discuss the questions that are based on synonyms. So already we have covered some very important words in the form of list as well as in Hindi meanings and in फॉर्म ऑफ सम क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो. सो ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं ये मिक्स फॉर्मेट में होंगे, मीन्स इसमें ईजी टू डिफिकल्ट वर्ड सब कवर होंगे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टुडेज सेशन विद आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, दैट इज व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड डिमेंटेड. दैट इज DEMENTED. डिमेंटेड सिनोनिम हमें बताना है. आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज रीजनेबल, बी इज सेंसिबल, सी इज इडियोटिक एंड डी इज ल्यूसिड. सो डिमेंटेड का जो परफेक्ट सिनोनिम होता है दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, इडियोटिक. A person who is idiot or very stupid. As you can see in this image, you are stupid. So we can say a person who is stupid is also an idiotic person or a demented person. Who talks foolishly or foolish things और silly mistakes conduct करता है कोई person, या फिर foolish way में बात करता है, silly talks करता है, तो वो क्या है? Stupid मतलब idiotic person है, idiot. So synonym of demented is idiotic. Reasonable means the something that is reasonable means specified time duration और specific चीज के अंदर हम उस चीज को कर रहे हैं, reasonable. सेंसिबल मतलब कि कोई पर्सन बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिबल है, who know about the things and facts and information, very sensible. Lucid means the thing that are very easy to understand or given in very clear format, means we can easily get to know about those things because they are given very easy manner or very clear format में, so the things are very easy to understand. So you can also write their meanings as well. So I am letting you know one by one each meaning of other options also. Why not these options are the perfect synonym of this particular word? Because other options do not have the same meaning or similar nature as the word already denotes. Demented means idiotic, a person who is very stupid. Reasonable means you can say something that is very fair, practical. Sensible means a person who has the ability to make judgments or decisions. Ability to take decisions or judgments. Lucid means clear, easy to understand. And the word demented means behaving in a crazy way or foolish manner. Behaving in a crazy manner or crazy way or foolish manner. So often do people behave like a foolish manner or in a very crazy way. So basically the meaning to reason to give the meaning of understanding this is demented का means होता है कि when we behave in a very crazy manner, in a foolish or a stupid way. So idiotic also have the same meaning as the same similar nature if we talk about or if we compare both the words, and other words do not have the same meanings. They are not matching to the word that is given. So answer is idiotic, that is option number C. Clear? Let's move to the next question. Next question is what is the synonym for the word ill-bred, that is ILLBRED. Option number A, uncouth, B, well-bred, C, courteous and D, mannerly. So the correct answer is option number A, that is uncouth. What the meaning of ill-bred is? Ill-bred, here we are not talking about the food item that we eat, bread. It's not that bread. It's ill-bred means when you behave in a very rude or badly behaved. You can say badly behave when we behave in a very rude or aggressive manner or in a very bad manner. So ill-bred means behaving in a very rude way or very bad manner. And uncouth also say have the same meaning, behaving in a very aggressive manner. So option number B meaning well-bred is totally the opposite of ill-bred. Well-bred मतलब कि बहुत ही mannered के साथ बात करना, behaving in a well-mannered way. Behaving in well-mannered way. So ये totally opposite word हो गया. Courteous means polite, talking to someone in a very polite way. Mannerly means well-mannered again. So ये जो बाकी के options हैं they are given in a positive or a positive note, but our option number A is uncouth means it is giving a negative sense because here we are talking about badly behavior and in rude manner. So ill-bred is synonym is uncouth, which also means the same meaning, rude and badly behaved. So why not these three options? Because they are given in the totally opposite form or opposite sense. Clear? Next question is, what is the synonym for the word knack? K-N-A-C-K. Here K is playing the role of a silent letter. Option number A is dexterity, B awkwardness, C clumsiness and D disability. So the correct answer is option number A, that is dexterity. What do you mean to say knack? You can see in this image when we use our fingers or when we use our hands to make different kind of things. Like you can see first image में हम जैसे देख सकते हैं हैंड से कुछ हम कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद सेकंड वाले में हमने एक रबर बैंड लिया हुआ है, उस रबर बैंड को हम डिफरेंट फॉर्म में डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स में डिफरेंट वेज में हम उसको अपनी फिंगर्स की हेल्प से यूज कर रहे हैं. सो knack means it is a kind of a special skill or ability, a special skills or ability to do something specially by using your hands or mind. And the dexterity also means the same thing when you use your hands or fingers for performing some specific or creative things. So it is a kind of a special skills or ability a person has to use their fingers or hands in such a manner that we can do creative things. So dexterity is absolutely the perfect synonym for the word knack. Other meanings, awkwardness means hesitation. When you feel awkward लग रहा है, you can say hesitation, hesitant. Clumsiness means you can say behaving in a very rude manner. Or disability means not having the ability to perform, or disabled person, not having capability as well as ability. It can be any health issue also, disability. So the perfect synonym for the word knack is special skills or ability, and dexterity also means the same thing when we a special skills or ability by using your own hands and fingers. Clear? Next question is, what is the synonym for the word laconic? That is L-A-C-O-N-I-C. You can see in this image a person is continuously speaking lots of words and the other person just reply yes dear. Means when we reply or when we give the reply to any other person in a very concise form or in a very few words. So हम क्या reply कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही जब हम कहते हैं कि कम शब्दों में हमने अपनी बात को रखा तो इन अ वेरी कंसाइज मैनर, मतलब वेरी फ्यू वर्ड्स का यूज करके हमने पूरी बात खत्म कर दी सामने वाले की. लैकोनिक ऑल्सो मीन्स द सेम थिंग. राइट डाउन द मीनिंग ऑफ फॉर द सेम. लैकोनिक मीन्स टू यूज few words to say something or anything. When we use very few words to say something or to talk something. So concise also means the same thing by using only few words to say something means in a concise form, in a concise format. So the correct answer is option number B. Loquacious means very talkative. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा बात करता है, very talkative person. And rambling means very long. you can say in the form of like writing. The speech is given in very long format, very rambling manner, मतलब very long format में the speech, or we generally use this word in the form of writing things. Like the letter is given in a very rambling manner, means in a very long format. Verbose means using more words than requirement. Using more words, जितनी ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती है, रिक्वायरमेंट भी नहीं होती है, कई बार हम उससे भी ज़्यादा बात कर लेते हैं. लाइक यू कैन सी हियर, व्हेन वी यूज मोर वर्ड्स देन द रिक्वायर्ड वर्ड्स और द नीडेड वर्ड्स, देन इट मीन्स वर्बोस. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने की आदत है. सो टॉकेटिव, वेरी लॉन्ग एंड यूजिंग मोर वर्ड्स. These are the words, other options, and the correct option, correct synonym for the word laconic means concise. When we use the few words to say something or to say anything in the form of reply or in the form of communication. Next question is, what is the synonym for the word knavish? That is K-N-A-V-I-S-H. Option number A, honorable, B, noble, C, trustworthy, and D, unscrupulous. You can see here. Now, the correct answer is option number D, that is unscrupulous, and the meaning for same is, you can say person is very dishonest or without using moral principles. Without using moral principles means the person is not having any moral values, moral principles. So knavish also means the same thing, the person who is dishonest or not kind to you. Like you can see this, they are both having the handshakes, but you can see behind their back they are holding the knives and all. So it means both of them are dishonest person, means they are unscrupulous, they are knavish. Option number A, honorable means respect, honored person. Noble means a person who is having very fine personal qualities like courage and honesty. Means person who is very honest and having courage and other qualities also. Trustworthy means person is very trustworthy, means kind, we can trust. So all these words means having the same similar nature, but this word unscrupulous means dishonest. So ये जो word है ये हमारे perfect synonym है word knavish का, जिसका meaning भी same ही होता है, means dishonest or the person is not having any moral values or moral principles. So the correct synonym for the knavish word is option number D, that is unscrupulous. I hope आपको ये समझ आ रहे होंगे questions. So I am sharing with you very important questions from the examination point of view. Please try to understand them, because I am also giving the correct meanings for the other options also, so that you can easily get to know why we are not choosing that particular option, or why that option is not the correct synonym for the given word. Clear? So let's see the next question. Next question is, what is the synonym for the word assertive? That is ASSERTIVE. Option number A, unassertive, B, timorous, C, domineering, and D, unobtrusive. First of all, option number A cannot be the synonym because it is directly the opposite word. So option A तो होगा ही नहीं. Timorous भी नहीं होगा. C, domineering is the correct answer. Assertive means when you express your desire, expressing desires with opinions and with strong confidence के साथ, when we express some desires or opinions with strong confidence. So it means basically to express a desire or opinions in front of anyone. Assertive. So option number C, domineering, also have the same meaning or are the similar to each other, because domineering also means the same thing. Domineering means when you try to control the emotions or the opinions of other people. When you dominate them, dominate करना. Domineering when you try to control other feelings, other emotions. When you try to control them, so it means domineering. So assertive do have the same meaning. Their meanings are almost have the same nature. So it can be the direct synonym or the perfect synonym for the word assertive. Unassertive cannot be the meaning because it is totally the opposite word. Timorous means you can say timid or fearful by nature. जो पर्सन नेचर से ही fearful है, बहुत ज़्यादा timid है. Unobtrusive means not attracting unnecessary attention. Not attracting unnecessary attention. When the person do not attract any unnecessary attention. कुछ लोग ऐसे करते हैं unnecessary attention ज़्यादा पाने के लिए वो कुछ अपनी अपनी एक्टिविटीज हॉबीज दिखाते हैं, बट unobtrusive लोग होते हैं जो unnecessary attention को अट्रैक्ट नहीं करते हैं. So the assertive do have the same meanings as the domineering. So therefore this is the correct option for the word assertive. Option number A, B, D are cancelled out. Clear? Next question is, what is the synonym for the word capricious? That is CAPRICIOUS. Option number A, whimsical, B, unmovable, C, decisive, and D, stable. So the correct answer is option number A, that is whimsical. So capricious means person who is not at all serious, but you all are not capricious because you are serious for your studies, for your work. So capricious are those persons who are not at all serious for their work or anything, means they are unusual. Unusual or not serious. And whimsical do have the same meaning. Whimsical also means the same thing, the person who is not serious in anything, an unusual person. So whimsical is the correct answer. Unmovable क्यों नहीं है? Because unmovable means things that cannot move from one place to another. So cannot move, I am just writing the meaning in short form. Cannot move, because this is a very simple word. Unmovable things or the person that cannot move from here and there. Decisive means something that is very important for final output or result. Very important for final result, you can say, or output or outcome. Stable means something that is fixed at a position. Stable, fixed. So whimsical do have the same meaning, person who is not serious or unusual. Option B भी same इसका नहीं है, cannot move, कोई match नहीं है. Decisive is also not the synonym and stable is not the synonym. So capricious का यहाँ पे एक meaning है, showing sudden changes in attitude or behavior. जो changes आते हैं हमारे attitude और behavior में, that oftenly or quickly takes place in our behavior, means the capricious. कोई person एक बार happy है और दूसरे point of टाइम में क्या हुआ, वो सैड हो गया, मीन्स सडन चेंज आया उसके बिहेवियर में. सो वी कैन से द पर्सन इज अनयूजुअल. सो इट मीन्स द पर्सन इज अनयूजुअल. सो कैप्रिशियस मीन्स whimsical, the perfect synonym word for the capricious. Let's see the next question. What is the synonym for the word dexterity? We have covered this option in another word also. So this is itself a question, that what is the synonym for the word dexterity? Option number A, that incompetence, B, gauchness, C, adroitness, D, ineptitude. So the correct answer is adroitness. What is the meaning of dexterity? Dexterity means skills when you use, or the ability, skills in using your hands or even mind. So dexterity means when you use your skills for the hands or mind. When you use your fingers or hands for different kind of ability or skills you can show creativeness. So adroitness also means the same thing. Adroitness also means the ability or the skills a person uses for different kind of creative things by using their hands or mind. Adroitness do have the same meanings. It is a skillful ability a person can perform without any difficulties or issue. Means they can easily perform the tasks in a very easy manner without any difficulties. Incompetence means, why not option A, B and D? Because incompetence का मतलब क्या होता है? When you have lack of skills or ability to perform anything. Lack of skills. Gauchiness means again the same meaning, and you can say impolite manner. जब हम impolite manner में बात करते हैं, इससे हमें पता चलता है that we are having lack of skills or knowledge. We do not know how to respect to a person. Gauchiness means when you in impolite manner talk to somebody or in a rudely manner. That thing shows how much skills do you have or you possessed. Inaptitude means अगेन सेम मीनिंग है इसका भी, लैक ऑफ स्किल्स. तो हमारे ये जो बाकी तीन ऑप्शंस है इनके मीनिंग सिमिलर नेचर के थे, सिर्फ एक यही मीनिंग था जिसका लैक ऑफ स्किल्स की जगह हमने इसका ऑपोजिट आ रहा था. व्हेन यू यूज योर स्किल्स, when you use your skills for giving a good performance without any difficulties, because that is the perfect synonym for the word dexterity. Clear? Like you can see here, you are using your hands for different creativeness. Next question is, what is the synonym for the word obstinate? O-B-S-T-I-N-A-T-E. Option number A, stubborn, B, pretty, C, silly, or D, clever. Very important question. ऑब्स्टिनेट मतलब होता है स्टबन, बहुत जिद्दी जिसे हम कह सकते हैं, या ढीठ. लाइक यहाँ पे मदर है, वो अपनी डॉटर को कुछ बोल रही है और मे बी शी इज स्कोल्डिंग हर, बट शी इज लाइक दिस, आई एम नॉट लिसनिंग एनीथिंग, शी इज बिहेविंग लाइक दिस, शी इज गिविंग लाइक एक्सप्रेशंस. सो देयरफॉर शी इज अ वेरी स्टबन गर्ल, वी कैन से शी इज वेरी ऑब्स्टिनेट, जिद्दी है बहुत ज्यादा. सो ऑब्स्टिनेट मतलब होता है stubborn or refusing to change your opinions. Refusing to change your opinions. Like maybe we can see here, say like mother is saying her daughter that you should study now, but she is refusing, or she is refusing the thing that I will not study, instead I will watch the TV. So मतलब क्या है, वो obstinate है, बहुत ज़्यादा stubborn है. So the option number A is absolutely the correct answer. Pretty means very beautiful, attractive. Person who is very beautiful means very pretty. Silly means foolish. Clever means very intelligent person. बहुत तेज है वो person, बहुत ज़्यादा intelligent है, sharp skills है उसमें. So option number B भी नहीं है इसका synonym, C भी नहीं है और D भी नहीं है. Therefore option number A है जिसका absolutely जो meaning है वो match हो रहा है हमारे given word के साथ. So option A, stubborn, is the perfect synonym for the word obstinate. What is the synonym for the word alert? That is A-L-E-R-T, alert. Option A is hostile, B, watchful, C, brave, D, quick. Correct synonym is B, watchful. वॉचफुल मीन्स कि अलर्ट हो गए हम किसी चीज़ के लिए, कि लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल हमें पता है कि यहाँ पे कोई वॉर या फाइट होने वाली है, उसके लिए हमें पहले से ही अलर्ट कर दिया गया कि आप इस चीज़ का यू शुड बी केयरफुल बिकॉज दिस थिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन द फ्यूचर, सो दैट वी कैन बी केयरफुल, मीन्स वी कैन गेट अलर्ट. तो हम उस चीज़ को ध्यान रखेंगे, वॉचफुल रहना. तो अलर्ट मतलब होता है quickly notice things or the ability to think quickly. अवेयरनेस, वॉचफुलनेस। ऑप्शन ए हॉस्टाइल क्यों नहीं है? हॉस्टाइल का मतलब होता है वेरी अनफ्रेंडली। हॉस्टाइल मतलब वेरी अनफ्रेंडली, मतलब वेरी बैड मैनर में। ब्रेव मतलब करेजियस। क्विक मतलब इन अ स्पीडी फॉर्म, स्पीडी फॉर्म में, क्विक मैनर, स्पीडी फॉर्म में। सो जो करेक्ट सिनोनिम है अलर्ट का वो क्या है हमारा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज वॉचफुल, एंड ऑल अदर ऑप्शंस आर द रॉन्ग ऑप्शंस। Clear? So students, this is all about the mixed questions or mixed words I have shared with you, and these are the very important questions that belongs to synonyms. So I hope आपको समझ आया होगा, आपको कुछ words याद भी हुए होंगे, because हमने बाकी के words options को भी डिस्कस किया है उनके मीनिंग्स के साथ। So वो भी आपको हेल्प करेंगे, बिकॉज उनका जो आपको मीनिंग पता चला, इससे आपको पता रहेगा कि जो हमारे वर्ड क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है मे बी उसका मीनिंग वो हो सकता है हमारे ऑप्शंस में से। Clear? So this is all about the synonym questions I have shared with you. So I will meet you in another new video with new topic. Till then, keep learning and practice English. Thank you.